Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install stable current version on Parrot Security OS 6.4. First open the default browser that comes with Parrot Security OS. Also verify whether we have the Chrome. Search for Chrome. See, you don't have. So open the default browser that comes with Parrot OS, that is Firefox. Then go to Google or any search engine. Search for download Google Chrome. Then click on this Google Chrome, the fast and secure web browser. Then click on download. Then for Parrot Security OS, we have to select this .debian package. Then click on accept and install. At a moment download will be started. Select the path. Okay. See, download started and its size is 113 megabytes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directly, cd downloads ls. See, here we have the Google Chrome stable current Debian package. So install it, sudo dpkg-i, then give Google, give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to menu, then search for Google Chrome. See, here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it to open. See, make Google Chrome the default browser and automatically send user statistics and cross reports to Google. If you want, you can skip the checkboxes. It is up to you. I don't want. So click on OK. Don't sign in. See, you got the Google Chrome. Click on got it. See, okay. Now go to terminal ls. This file is not required, so I am removing to clear the space. Ls, we have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Google Chrome latest stable version on Parrot Security OS. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.